Dun dun.
So I'm getting light up casters, getting 2 because I need 2. And then I need some spacers, so I'm getting these. And spacers for $4. Dude, I feel like so weird, like investing in my wheelchair, but it's like my wheelchair. I'm trying to make it look cool, you know. I guess accepting that, you know, I'm in a wheelchair. I'm just trying to make it look cool. Let's go ahead and proceed. So the before. Hey guys, so I ordered some wheels. They're light up wheels, and at first I was kind of like iffy about it, but I was like, you know what, let me just buy them. I've never bought anything like that for my wheelchair. So this is what they look like. They are the 5, why do you say that, 5 por uno? 5 and so it's a 5x1. And I was kind of iffy about it because these are 5 times 2. And I remember when I first got my wheelchair, my guy was like, hey, I think you should get 2 inches porque with these you can go over rocks easier. And I think I'm gonna be really like this diameter, no, this, yeah, right, no, well the thickness, the thinner it is, the more is, I mean, the thinner it is, the harder it is to go over rocks. So I'm kind of scared about it, but they're light up, so I was thinking like maybe it's worth it, I don't know. So the packaging is, I mean, pretty basic, you know, but it does come like this. Looks kind of like a donut. You open it, and well, you open it and you get the wheel. The shipping, I think they do charge you for shipping. I bought it from DME Hub. Shipping is $9, which sucks. So you have to buy $90 or more. But besides that, it's taking like two days for me to receive it, so it's not that bad. And then I ordered some, ¿cómo se llama? Inner tubes, and yeah, they were $5. And I think if you're a wheelchair user, you should no, I don't think you should have these, porque uno nunca sabe, you know. And then I had to buy some spacers. I didn't know spacers were $4 each. That's what I had to get because the wheelchair is I mean, la wheel está más thinner, so it's gonna be a spacer right here and a spacer over here, and voila. I've never done this before, so this should be interesting. So yeah. So is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I have my chalan here holding it, you know, and then I am actually doing it. I think if you're a quad, you'll need help, right? But if you're a para, you can do this on your own for sure, you know. And ¿cómo se llama este? Se llama un
hex key.
This is a hex key, and if you're a wheelchair user, definitely a tool that you need. Just make sure you buy one of these because they'll come in handy. So I decided to take off the right caster because I always take off my right shoe first. And here we have, you know, the chalan doing the other one. Just wanted to see if I could do it. I could, you know, but you know how it is.
So,
Yeah, right
organize
there.
that.
Just pull it.
This comes out?
Yeah. This is actually the right way to take off the hairs. I usually just get some scissors and then cut it off, but yeah.
Yeah, so put one spacer and then like lay it flat. And then just slide the other one in there.
Whoa, that is so cool. Don't look childish.
It's kind of cool.
Okay, so look. ¿Cómo se dice barrido en inglés? The burrito.
I don't know.
So every time we turn it, the other one turns. So that's why.
Swept.
Swept. It is swept.
So yeah.
So we have to put one L there and the other L there because it keeps moving. And then you're putting resistance on that one, and this one we're actually turning it. I'm not doing nothing.
Oh, turn it? Damn, that shit kind of hurts.
Right, so that wasn't working, so we had to do this. He's holding it and I'm twisting it. So después de eso, you just yank it.
Mm-hmm. It just comes out.
O lo jalas.
Yeah. I might have to like play with it a little bit because it's got a little bit of dirt hair. no. Boom, ahí está. Put the screw.
Here's the L. So you hold it and I turn? Oh, I have two wheelchairs because this is my initial wheelchair. And I keep it upstairs and I keep this one out downstairs and I go out with it. Let go some. But... ¿Se miden? That is so cool. They do look cool. They kind of look like me. Was I missing these in my life? Alright, so this is what it looks like. That is the end of this vlog. I feel like I'm stuttering. I haven't recorded in so long. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Okay, so what I'm going to do is save my casters because there was nothing wrong with them. I just wanted that new light up wheel vibes, Christmas look. Okay, so I'm just going to keep them because I heard the other ones get yellow, and whenever I get bored, I can just put them back. As you can see, they were really easy to install. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video how to and then showing you the little process. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think about my Christmas lights. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See ya. Don't wanna be ya.